thank you for joining us today on Expert Talk. Today we're learning more about how to utilize the equity in your home from our expert, Tom Quinn, the Director of Mortgage Sales at Keesler Federal Credit Union. Tom, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. Well, what's the difference between home equity loan and home equity line of credit?
Yeah, there's a big, huge difference. Number
Okay.
one, a home equity loan will be a fixed product just like your first mortgage. Same payment every single month. We actually call it a cash out refinance. We take that equity difference in your home based off your appraisal and what you owe, and we can lend against it. A line of credit is almost like a credit card, except it's your home.
Right.
You can still utilize that equity you have in your home, but you tap into it at different points in time. You have a draw period. So at Keesler, for example, we have a 5-year draw period. It's a 20-year term.
Okay.
For the first 5 years, you can pull off that line, put it back into your line, and your payment adjusts with it.
Okay.
Now, it is an adjustable rate, so it's different than a traditional cash out refinance, so you
Right.
need to be prepared for that and budget for it accordingly, but it provides more flexibility.
Okay.
They're very popular because it's also no cost at Keesler Federal Credit Union. So at this time of year, a lot of air conditioners are going out. This is very popular for people to come get an air conditioner.
Okay.
They don't know if they're going to be doing some small repairs, big repairs, a whole new unit. But a lot of people are tapping into it. You don't have to use it. You can take that line out, and you're only going to pay on what you utilize.
Okay.
So it provides a whole lot more flexibility.
And what is, how do you determine the equity in a person's home?
So what we're going to do is when you come in and we set it up, we look to see how much that you're trying to access. We have limits based off your loan to value that we can go to for different programs. Then we reach out to a completely independent appraiser who goes out to the property, inspects it, make sure it meets all the standards of the loan program you're in, and gives it that value. And then we'll base our loan off their determination of the value.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much, Tom, for joining us today.
No problem.
We really appreciate it. And thank you for joining us on Expert Talk. We'll see you next week.